Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We've got now nice summer days. It lasted for a while in UK. It's been gorgeous, and now when the summer days are ahead, who wouldn't like to smell nice and gorgeous and fresh, right? So today we're gonna talk about fragrances for summer. It's gonna get as summer as it gets with these fragrances. Today I will show you my best favorite fragrances, and I would like to start today with Romantica Exotica from Anna Sui. It's this fragrance. You can see already from the packaging. It's the lighting. It's beautiful summer box with loads of colors and flowers, so you can tell already it's for a summer. And the bottle is like that. It's gorgeous bottle with the gold flowers on it and nice golden top. This fragrance is absolutely beautiful, very fresh, citrusy, aquatic, a bit woody, floral. It's gorgeous for summer. You feel like you want to just put your big summer hat on and just walk in a nice sunny day with a nice summer dress and have a cocktail. It's very fresh, very lemony. It's gorgeous. The main note in it is lemon, then it's grapefruit, blackcurrant, neroli, mandarin. So it's very citrusy, very fresh, and it's really nice scent. It's very affordable as well. It didn't cost much, probably about £14, I believe I paid that much for it. It was actually in sale as well. So that's Romantica Exotica from Anna Sui. I really enjoy wearing this fragrance for summer. It was launched in 2015, so it's like 5 years old now. Next fragrance will be from Estée Lauder. It's called Modern Muse or the Perfume. It's not very talked about fragrance. I've got like miniature from it. So this fragrance, I would dare to say, it smells a lot like light blue from Dolce Gabbana. So I've got this miniature from it. And it's very citrusy fragrance, aquatic. I would say this is for, it just makes me feel like it's for some business woman in a black suit with the high heels. It's very classy, this fragrance, very fresh. It's underrated, I think. People don't talk about this fragrance too much, and they don't know about this one too much. The notes in it are, there is one top note in it, it's mandarin orange, and then the other notes are sambac jasmine, vanilla, amber, sandalwood. It's very pleasant smell, and yeah, I think it's quite forgotten by people. People don't talk about it too much, but it's very sophisticated scent. So this is lovely for summer, absolutely gorgeous, very fresh, beautiful summer scent. That's Modern Muse by Estée Lauder. So the next one will be Dolce Gabbana Light Blue, as I already said. It's very similar to Modern Muse from Estée Lauder, and it's also like, it's very popular scent. People talk about it less now when there is another version, Intense, Light Blue Intense, but I still like the old version, the original from 2001. I love it. I used to have 2 bottles. I threw them away, but it was my favorite summer scent for like nice summery hot days. It's very fresh, aquatic, very citrusy, just really like gorgeous summer scent, very uplifting, very fresh. This is compliment getter as well. The notes in it are lemon, cedar, jasmine, apple, amber, musk. it's sparkling scent. The longevity is quite good. It lasts quite long for you know, summer scent, because mostly summer fragrances, they don't last too long, and usually they are like in eau de toilette. So this is very good for longevity. It's very summery scent, very happy scent. It makes you feel like you're on the boat, on the ocean, and you know, just wind blows into your face, you know, and just nice breeze. It's just so uplifting, happy scent, very nice summer scent, and it never gets old. It never gets old. It's just always great. Absolutely fantastic scent. Next one will be Marc Jacobs Daisy, also fresh sorbet. This is lovely scent, and it's a beautiful bottle. Very nice top. This is such a nice fragrance. It's very floral, very sweet, very fresh. You just imagine like nice garden with the flowers. Beautiful. You can tell by the top. It's flowers, flowers, flowers all over it. It's beautiful scent. I would say it's super girly scent. It was a limited edition. I'm not sure if they still make it, but if they do, definitely worth buy. As you can tell, I've used it like all. So it's beautiful, lovely scent. It's a compliment getter as well. And the notes in it are mainly like flowers, lotus, apple, mandarin, orange blossom, and now we get to florals, magnolia, jasmine, violet, and then musk. Longevity is not great on it, probably about 4 hours, but that's like most of the scents anyway, like for summer. So yeah, definitely beautiful scent, this one. That's Marc Jacobs Daisy, also fresh sorbet. Next one will be from Misty, Absolutely Blooming. It's a gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous scent. It's lovely girly bottle as well. So this one, Absolutely Blooming. Oh, this is absolutely fantastic, absolutely beautiful scent. Amazing. There is loads of, look at this atomizer, beautiful. There is loads of raspberry in it and florals, and it's very juicy and fruity. It's powdery a little bit. It's sexy, delicious, gourmet scent. Very flirtatious, very sexy. I think any woman can pull it off, whether it's like girl or mature woman. It's just like so gorgeous, like well-rounded. It's very like sweet, but not over sweet, if it makes sense. Not too sweet, but it's like very happy scent. It's gourmand. It's very syrupy, very juicy. The dominant note in it is raspberry, and then red berries. There is peony, rose. It's very long lasting, this one. Considering you could wear it in summer, it's actually really good longevity and sillage. So this one is really good scent for summer. I absolutely adore it. I recommend it. It's absolutely divine. It's just heaven, very heavenly scent. Like, it's a very, very happy woman, a very cheerful woman. It's just so nice. It's very nice, and it smells expensive. You will smell expensive if you put it on. Yeah, gorgeous scent. Very like light, nice light for summer. So that's Christian Dior, Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming. Next one will be Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, and this scent is iconic, classic, just yeah, It's very fresh. So it's very fresh, quite like very clean scent. It's been here for a while, since 2001. It's very recognizable now. A lot of people know it because it's been here so long and people love it. It's crowd pleaser, and it's very popular fragrance, Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. This one will never get old. It's oldie but goodie, but once something is good, it's just good, right? And yeah, so it's oriental, fresh, floral. It's got patchouli in it, tonka bean, orange blossom. It's very citrusy, balsamic. It's flirtatious, and you will smell expensive. And it also is quite expensive fragrance. This is just timeless classic. Just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Like, you imagine very classy woman in a nice, elegant skirt and jacket. Yeah, it's beautiful. Very nice. And this one, Coco Chanel Mademoiselle by Chanel. And the next one will be Au Nude by Next. This one, I said it before, it's quite similar to Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. It's just slightly cooler and it's cheaper, but you will still smell expensive. Although it's cheap, it's like, I think, £16 for 100 ml. So it's much difference between Coco Chanel Mademoiselle and this one. Coco Chanel Mademoiselle costs probably about £100 for 100 ml, and this one costs like £16, so it's quite different. It's very similar scent. It's not identical, but it's very similar, and it's very fresh, like out of the shower, clean scent. Au Nude, this name suits it very well. It's just like, yeah, like on the skin, like your skin smelling like fragrance on the skin. Just great, very fresh, very clean, very bright, beautiful scent. The notes in it are raspberry, jasmine, mandarin. There is some amber, patchouli. So yeah, I really recommend this one. Yeah, gorgeous. On number 8, we've got Dolce Gabbana Free Limpetris. I don't know, I'm sure I haven't said it right, but yeah, I don't know, I can't speak French. But this scent, I had 2 bottles. It's been there for a while, since 2009. So this scent is very well known, and I mean, it deserves it. Like, it deserves such a popularity. Dominant note in it is watermelon and kiwi, but dominant note in it is watermelon to me. Other notes are cyclamen, jasmine, rhubarb, pink pepper, sandalwood, musk. It's very good value for money. For 100 ml you pay probably about £34. And it lasts you quite a long time. You don't need to spray too much over the day. It's quite long lasting, so it's really good. It's my favorite one for summer. You feel like you're on the boat in the ocean, and yeah, it's just very classy scent. It's juicy, fruity, it's very classy scent. It makes your mouth water. It's beautiful. It's just very refreshing, very uplifting. Then we've got the new one, La Vie Belle Enhancement, that came out this year in February 2020, and this is such a gorgeous, beautiful, absolutely beautiful scent. It's on my wish list. It was love at the first smell, and I want to buy it, but it's so pricey, so I haven't bought it yet. I haven't gotten it yet, but it's on my wish list. It definitely does worth getting. Dominant note in it is raspberry. I realized I really like raspberry fragrances. It's just so nice, like fresh and fruity. This one is very juicy, sweet smelling, powdery, and it lasts quite long as well, so it does worth buying actually. It's like happiness in a bottle. It makes you happy. It does say it in advert, and I think it quite suits it. It's very juicy and fruity. It's also like mouth-watering. Yeah, it's gorgeous and it's very nice for summer. Very nice. And last one will be Bright Crystal from Versace. This one is beautiful. I had like 2 bottles. At the moment I don't have any, but it's I always keep coming back to it, and it's beautiful scent. It's very floral and fresh, uplifting, a bit like soft, aquatic, slightly gourmand. It's very suitable for summer, for spring. It's just, yeah, it's really good, and it's very affordable fragrance, and I think it's used very like any age really, whether it's girls or mature women as well. It's I think well-rounded fragrance, and it makes you feel like clean and fresh. It's been here for a while, and maybe that's why it's not talked about very much, fragrance, but I like this fragrance. I keep coming back to it. It was actually launched in 2006, so it's been here for a while, yeah. So that's about it. I think I covered all my favorite fragrances for summer. If you enjoyed my video and if you managed to watch it until this point, give me a like, comment down below, and if you did watch until this point, please comment something as watermelon. Put in comment watermelon, and I know you watched it until this moment right there. And I appreciate it. And thank you very much for supporting my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video, and enjoy the summer. I hope we get more of it, because we had a really nice summer days in UK so far, and it's only May, so hopefully it will last for longer. It's very unusual for UK, so it's been really nice so far. And see you soon in the next one. Bye!